An alarm sounds at Metro North's Operations Control Center. In a storm drain in the Bronx, water levels are rising. Our Level 1 high-level water detector is providing advanced warning for the flood condition. Rail traffic controllers immediately warn trains and dispatch personnel to investigate the issue. If waters reach the bottom of the rail, the Level 2 alarm sounds, and the RTCs hold all train traffic until it is confirmed safe to operate.
When Tropical Storm Ida hit our region in September 2021, we suffered a lot of damage to our track infrastructure. But now, with Metro North's 2-level high water alarm system, we have more time to make critical decisions during storm events.
We created a real-time, early warning system designed and installed by Metro North employees. Now, we're better prepared during storm events to allocate staff, reroute trains, and to operate at normal capacity.
As more severe storms are expected over time, this technology is invaluable for railroads everywhere. Thank you, APTA, for recognizing Metro North and our employees with the Distinguished Emergency Management Gold Award.